What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. We are here at Costco. Picked up a nice little 83. It's a little bit of a mission, a little bit of work, but this will work nicely to start the day. Got my boxes, and I'm gonna head up to Costco right now and get this thing going. Okay, we just dropped that one off. Very nice order. It was a lot of work, but at the same time, it's $83. So I just picked up an easy, I think 23 or something like that at Ralph's. It's going to Solana. I figured why not? The tip's pretty good for the amount of items. And this puts me over 100 bucks. So I'll be over $100 by noon or right around noon. And that's a pretty good start to the day. So I did talk to a lot of people at Costco, and a lot of people were waiting, not seeing anything. So I'm really grateful I got the 83 that I did. Put me up in Del Mar, which is one of my, favorite areas to work between here and Encinitas. And we just picked up this nice little easy 23. So good start to the day. I hope you guys are out there crushing whatever day you're watching this video. Thank you for tuning in and watching and supporting my channel. Let's get it today, you guys. All right, we just dropped that one off. We are at 107, dropped it off right at noon like I said we would. And now we're in Solana Beach. I really want some breakfast, so I'm gonna try to make my way north. I want to hit up this place called Swami's because last time I was there, they didn't have this peanut butter shake that I usually get. I don't know why I'm craving that. So I'm gonna jump over to the freeway, see if I can head a little bit more north. 107 by noon is not a bad start, especially for starting at 10 a.m. guys. It's kind of a weird day. I'm hearing a lot of people not seeing stuff, and then I know a few people are getting some really good orders. So I'm not exactly sure how the day is gonna play out. I don't wanna be too picky, clearly, but I don't wanna run little small fries all day. So I'm on my way to the freeway right now, and I'll let you guys know as soon as I pick up my next order. Had to stop by and get some breakfast at Swami's. I was craving it. Okay, so we had a really long wait. Nothing was really hitting the screen besides some really bad triples. Moved around a little bit, was charging my car here across the street from Gelson's. Picked up this nice easy 33 single with a 25 flat tip. Should be a very easy shop, and the drop-off's right down the street, so I'll probably just come back here and kick it after for a little bit, see if something else comes. A lot of people aren't seeing much today. We thought today was gonna be a really busy Sunday, but for some reason, it is not living up to the hype that we thought. Last week was crazy. I did 400 something, and I started at like 12 o'clock. So I'm hoping that it's gonna pick up soon. Hopefully after I drop this off, I can find another one real quick. I'm gonna jump in here, you guys, and get this one going. That one set us at 141 on the day. Not terrible. It's 3 o'clock right now. As soon as I dropped off, I had 4 batches drop on my screen. None of them were good, but still that's a good sign that maybe volume is going to pick up here. Usually Sundays are the most steady, busy days, whatever you want to call it. And it's pretty weird that today's been slow. We have managed to get 3 solid batches today. Hopefully it picks up, and I'll let you guys know when I get my next batch. All right, back at Gelson's. for, I guess a 24 or a 27, I don't know. I'll put it up on the screen for you guys. It's gonna be a nice easy shop right down the street, drop off, and we'll look for another one right after this one. But first, let's take care of this. All right, we are at 166, 3:45 right now. Just gonna have enough time to get back probably to Gelson's since we're so close, and hopefully we'll pick up something soon. A lot of red stores on the map right now, you guys, but like I told you, those heat maps are like set on timers or something. After you guys watch this video, I want you to pay really close attention to either the even or odd numbers when the time is like 1:15. Watch to see if other stores light up all of a sudden, or if it's like 1:20 or something like that. But yeah, anyways, we are really close to $200 heading back to Gelson's. Hopefully it eats up, you guys. Like I said, we need some Sunday orders coming through. So I'm gonna head back to Gelson's, you guys, and I'm gonna let you know as soon as I pick up my next order. All right, we just got into Vaughn's for this little 25. Still dead, no bangers today yet. I'm gonna try to get this done and dropped off and get to a store before 5, because 5 o'clock might drop some bangers. So I'm gonna run through this shop and get this dropped off. All right, we just got back to Vaughn's, the one that I just did the order at. The drop-off was literally right down the street. Super easy, super quick. It's $4.50 right now. We're just a tick under $200. Still not a lot of volume hitting my screen, but like I say in a lot of videos, it's not necessarily about the amount of orders you're seeing, but it's about the quality of orders that you're seeing. So I'm probably gonna give this Vaughn's about 20 minutes before moving to another store. And honestly, for a slow Sunday, it's really not that bad. So like I said, I'm gonna give it a few minutes and I'll let you guys know when I pick up my next order. All right, chipping away. Just picked up a 30 Stater Brothers. Puts me at like 220, I think. Very slow Sunday, but it's all right. I'm gonna run through this, and there's still plenty of time for a good order. All right, so I just made it back home. I did finish the day at 2:25 after that last Stater Brothers order. I actually ended up having dinner with one of my friends out in Carlsbad, and I just kind of hung out with him the rest of the night. I did leave my app on, and I didn't see anything worth leaving his house for. For a very slow Sunday, honestly, I'm grateful for the numbers that I made today. I talked to a lot of other people, and a lot of other people weren't seeing a lot of good orders today as well. So 225 is a very good number for me today. I finished the week just under 2,100, so that's also a plus. So I'm gonna relax right now, get some sleep, and prepare for a good Monday tomorrow, because as we all know, Mondays can be very good. Even though the last several weeks have been pretty inconsistent, Mondays are usually something we can rely on. So if you guys are a returning subscriber, thank you as always for supporting me and my channel. And if you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing. Hopefully I brought you guys some entertainment, and I'll try to bring you guys more value in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.